Hi guys, welcome to Alex Goes Coconuts. So today I wanted to do an unboxing of travel Amazon items that I found. So all the items that I'm going to show you today, I will put the links in the description box down below if you are looking to buy them. All right, so let's open up this box. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, I got quite a lot of things in here. Let's start with this. I think this is my travel backpack. Oh yeah, this is the Taygeer backpack, travel backpack. And this is a garment travel duffel bag. Let's start with this travel bag. This is from Lumesner. Lumesner, I think. That's how you pronounce it. Okay, so let's unzip this. Now, I wanted a new travel backpack. Actually, I already own a travel backpack. And I decided to get another one because my family really likes travel backpacks. Okay, so this is the Lumesner travel backpack. It has these little clips on the side. So you can make this backpack a lot larger, which is really great. And then you can use the little clips to compress, your clothes and the backpack. So let's open this up. So this got a lot of great reviews on Amazon. So I wanted to, order one for myself to see if I liked it. Now I chose this super light color because I think it's really pretty. Usually I don't go with light colors, I go with darker colors. But I thought with the brown, because this bag comes with like this kind of detail, I thought the light color looked best with this brown color. But it does come in different colors. So what's cool about this is that it comes with these packing cubes, which I think is fun. A lot of these travel backpacks don't come with anything else. And this does come with a set of 3 packing cubes. So there's 1, 2, and I even get this little clear pouch here. Oh, and there's even a shoe bag, which is kind of cool. So a little shoe bag like this. So it comes with a shoe bag and these 3 packing cubes. Now the packing cubes are okay. They're not the greatest quality. You can tell the material's a little thin. It feels like it could rip after a while. Let's see the zippers. They're okay. I think for the price that you're getting this, it's not a bad deal. And I mean, hey, if you get the packing cubes for free, with your travel backpack, why not, right? I don't know if I would buy these packing cubes separately, but they're definitely a bonus to have with the travel backpack. Now this travel backpack is so wide. I'm actually really surprised how wide it is. What's cool too is it comes with this little wire, so you can plug in a charger on the inside of your backpack and charge your phone on the outside, which is kind of cool when you're traveling. It does come with this little clip here so that you can hold your clothes down in the bag. And it comes with this massive zipper here for, I guess, underwear and undergarments or something like that. Let's check out the front zippers here. So this front zipper here, oh, this is a waterproof pouch. Quality is really so-so. I wouldn't say it's like the best quality, but I think it's a nice feature to have that waterproof pouch, especially when you're traveling and you have a wet bathing suit or something and you just throw in your wet bathing suit in there and it won't wet the rest of your items in your bag. It also comes with this big zipper here in the front. And then there's this zipper right here. Oh, so this is the laptop pouch. So you can put your iPad or your laptop in here. And on this side, it does come with a little zipper here. Oh, and it comes with a little lock, like a little travel lock. 2 pen holders, another little pocket here, and a larger zipper here, I guess for your electronics or something like that. Now, I did check and this does fit under the seat of most airlines. So if you want to just travel with a backpack as your carry-on, this fits the size constraints of most airlines. Now, let's look at the back here. We do have some padding for the back, so that's kind of nice when you're traveling with that. Here, I think I saw it has these backpack straps that you can pull out. You can clip this to the back like this, and on this side, clip this onto here. You do have even this like middle clip to hold it so that, you know, it lightens the load. So I do like that there's these like retractable backpack straps. Another thing you have here, you have a little band here so that you can slip this onto the handles of your carry-on, which is really great. So overall, I think this is a good little backpack. It's not too expensive. The quality feels good, like the material feels good of the backpack itself. I really like that there's this like back padding to protect your back, especially if the backpack gets really heavy. And it's a really big size. Like you can fit quite a lot of items in here. And I did buy another backpack because I wanted to compare both backpacks. I already have the Taygeer backpack in pink, and I wanted to buy one for my husband. So since it was on special, I bought this one for my husband in black. And like I said, I like buying neutral colors so that the whole family can use them. And since I have 2 boys, you know, black backpacks are like really useful because everybody can use them in the family. So let's pull out this backpack and see. Personally, I already like the design of this one a little bit more, but it's definitely a smaller backpack. Like it does not feel as big as the Lumesner. So let's open this up and I'll show you what this backpack comes with. Personally, I like the fact that this one is much lighter. Like it feels, the material is lighter. So already just the fact that the backpack is lighter, it's not gonna be as heavy to carry on your back as the other one, because the other one, the material is a lot thicker. It has like more weight to it. But let's open up the zippers here. So there's this front zipper, which I appreciate when they put little front zippers like that in a backpack, because I usually like to carry some things like my phone or things that I want to access really quickly in that front zipper. It also has a bottle holder on the side here. The width is not bad. It's very similar to the other backpacks, so there's quite a lot of width to it. So let's open this up. Now this one also comes with a little shoe bag, and this material feels really, really solid. Like I think this won't break over time. Like this material is really great. You can use this shoe bag not only for a shoe, but like even any wet clothes or anything like that, which I always appreciate. Why are the straps here? I have no idea. So let's turn these straps around. Okay, here we got the same thing. We have a charger here so you can, you know, plug in your power bank inside your bag, and you have an external plug here for your phones or your iPads or whatever you want. So that's another thing that's very similar. This one also has this middle strap to hold down your clothes. It has like these pockets on the inside. Here in this bag, they do have a waterproof pocket, but this one is inside the bag actually. And you know what? Personally, I think this material feels sturdier, like it won't break. Like the other one, the waterproof pocket felt a little weak, like it would tear after a while, but this one doesn't feel like it's gonna tear. It feels solid. And so it's always nice to have a waterproof pocket like this. Here you have a large pocket for like electronics or socks or any kind of undergarments, which is really great. So here in front of the bag, there is a zipper here, again, for a laptop or an iPad. Now, this one definitely is smaller. So if you have like a larger laptop, the other bag might be more useful. And this one comes with 2 pen holders, a little pocket here, a zippered pocket for like electronics or something like that. It has a pocket here and a pocket here. So it's perfect for like a little pack of gum or your phone right here. And you have access to your laptop right here. Let's check the back of this bag. So here you also have padding, definitely not as solid as the other backpack, but still good. The straps feel kind of lightweight, and here the straps are not detachable. So these you have to carry as a backpack. But it does have like a handle on the side, just like the other bag, and it has a handle on the top, which is kind of nice. It has like these clips on the side so that you can compress you know, your clothes after packing them, which I think is always a great thing to have. You have a little band here so that you can slip this onto the handles of your carry-on, which is really great. I think overall, if I had to compare both bags, personally, I like this bag better just because it's more neutral. But I think if you have more clothes to pack and you have more to bring, the other backpack might be better for you because this one feels a little bit smaller. Both are great little travel backpacks. I highly recommend both of them. They both cost around the same price. Okay, so now let's look at this garment bag that I bought. And what's cool about this one is it's a garment bag that transforms into a duffel bag, which I got this for my husband for Christmas, just because he travels often with suits for business. And even when we take cruises, it's just nice to have like your dresses or your suits in a garment bag. This is from the company Enzosum. It's very, very neutral looking. That's what I loved about this specific garment bag. So a man or a woman can use this. So at the front here, there's two huge pockets. So you can like store electronics in here, your phone, your passport, stuff like that. Now let's open this up. So this comes with obviously a strap to carry your duffel bag. So we'll put this aside. So there's a hook here for your garments. So I guess you put your hangers in here. And here you got a little Velcroed pocket. So I guess this you can put socks in here or belts or a tie. And then this opens up. And here there's another little flap. And then the zipper bag opens like this. So you can put all your garments. That's kind of cool. Here you got a zippered pocket. And on this side, yeah, this is another pocket with another little zippered pocket. And I guess here, not sure what you would use that for. Let me show you fully open. So there's two flaps here, and this is what closes the bag into a duffel bag. So I'm gonna fill this up so that you can see all the storage that you have in here. When you're ready to transform it into a duffel bag, you basically zip up the sides. The zippers feel really solid and they're pretty easy to zip up. And there you go, your duffel bag is pretty much ready. It's a pretty big duffel bag, but I checked the sizes of this, and this could count as your travel item. This would fit in most overhead bins, so you can definitely carry this as your carry-on. And what I like too is that it has like these little rubber pads underneath. So you know the bottom, it's like lined with this rubber. So you know, even if you get this dirty, you can wipe this down with a little cloth. I like this material too. Hair doesn't stick on it, and it's super easy to clean. Now, here, when you open your duffel, you can actually use this as a duffel bag. So if you don't want to use it as a garment bag, you can do that. And it comes with these little clips. So you can clip each side of this duffel bag closed to make sure that those zippers don't come open. And what's cool is here, you have a little zipper. And there's like a large flap here where you can come and put in your shoes. So I'll fill this up for you so that you can see this, how it looks with all the clothes put in. And I think it's such a great gift for any man who travels a lot for business. It's also great for cruising. Yeah, a super inexpensive little bag that's perfect for anybody who likes to travel. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. Those are all travel items that I found on Amazon. And if you got any value from this video, I'd really appreciate if you like it and you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Happy travels. Bye.